Hey, before we get started, if you're ready to change your life, hit that subscribe button and join our community of growth and motivation. Let me share something with you. The difference between where you are now and where you want to be comes down to mindset. It's all about the 1% mindset, how you view the world, how you approach challenges, and how you think when things get tough. That's what separates the 1% from everyone else. It's not about the money they have or the people they know, it's about the choices they make every single day. You have 24 hours in a day, just like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, or anyone you admire. The question is, what are you doing with your 24 hours? The 1% don't waste time. They don't get distracted. They don't scroll endlessly through social media or get caught up in gossip. They know exactly what they want, and they put in the effort to achieve it, day in and day out. Most people think success is about talent or luck. They believe the 1% have some special gift. But the truth is, it's not about being the smartest or most talented. It's about consistency. The 1% mindset is about showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. It's about doing the work when no one is watching, when no one is cheering you on. Anyone can work hard when things are going well. But can you keep pushing when things get tough? When setbacks hit? When everything seems to be against you? The 1% understand one simple thing. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. They know if you want something you've never had, you must do something you've never done. Most people want the rewards, but don't want the struggle. The 1% embrace the struggle. They know every challenge they face today is preparing them for the strength they'll need tomorrow. The 1% invest in themselves. They invest in their health, their education, their mindset. They understand that the return on that investment is a life that most people only dream about. But it's not just about financial success. The 1% strive to be the best version of themselves, whether as a parent, a partner, a leader. They aim for greatness, not because they want recognition, but because they believe they are capable of more. Here's the thing. There's no magic formula to success. It's simple, but it's not easy. It's about discipline. It's about resilience. It's about getting up one more time than you fall. Most people quit when things get tough. But the 1%? They push through. They find a way. Let me give you an example. Think about a bamboo tree. When you plant a bamboo seed, you water it every single day for years, and you see nothing. No growth, no sign that anything is happening. But you keep watering it. And then one day, that bamboo shoots up 90 feet in just a few weeks. The whole time, it was building roots, preparing for that explosive growth. That's how it is with the 1% mindset. You keep going, even when you don't see immediate results, because you know eventually you will break through. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's about small, consistent actions. It's not about big, dramatic leaps. It's about showing up every day, doing the little things that add up over time. The 1% don't wait for the perfect moment. They don't wait for life to come to them. They make life happen. They create opportunities. They take risks. They take action. They keep moving forward. Failure is part of the journey. In fact, the 1% fail more than anyone else because they're willing to try more. They don't see failure as the end. They see it as a lesson, as an opportunity to grow. They learn from their failures and use them to get better. You have the power to change your life. You have everything you need within you to succeed. But it starts with your mindset. It starts with the choices you make every single day. You must believe you are capable of greatness and be willing to do whatever it takes to get there. So let me ask you, what do you really want? What kind of life do you want to live? The 1% have a clear vision. They know exactly what they're working toward. They have goals, dreams, and they will do whatever it takes to make them a reality. Now it's your time. Stop settling for less. Step up. Embrace the 1% mindset